Okay, this is lesson 7.8. We're on the On Your Own section. I'm going to give the directions, or I'm going to circle and color code the problems for each group. Okay, so I circled which ones I want each group to do. Second City, you're this like teal color today. Windy City, you're this pink color today. Go ahead and take a look at which ones I want you to circle. Go ahead and circle those ones. And Second Cities, I'm giving you some more challenging ones today. So I'm just going to review a strategy for this set here, because you're going to do 19, where you're finding a missing part that's in the middle of the equation instead of the end. So let's do number 14 together. It's kind of like number 19. So if 16 divided by p equals 8, and we're supposed to find out what this mystery number is in the middle where p is. So what I always think of doing is, can I write another fact that would be in the same fact family, where I can just flip some of the numbers around and it will give me an equation that I can solve. So I know, for example, if I do the other division equation in this fact family, remember every fact family has 2 multiplication equations, 2 division equations, I could keep the total at the beginning and just flip-flop the last 2 numbers. So for this one, I could rewrite it as 16 divided by 8 equals p. So what is 16 divided by 8? A lot of you at this point probably know that is 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2, so p is really 2. So see if you can use that strategy to help you with this one. Okay, flipping it around, making another fact that's in the same fact family, that'll help you get this box at the end. Okay, now my Windy Cities, you also have several in here, and you have some that are tricky because they have the missing number at the beginning of the division equation. So I need to get this triangle at the end. So let me think about how a division equation is made. Division always starts with the total. So this triangle is actually the total. So if I need to move this in triangle around, and I need to get it at the end, and it really represents the total, what type of equation has the total at the end? Multiplication. So I need to make this backwards. Instead of division, I need to do it as multiplication. So I'm changing it and I'm going to go in reverse. Okay, my triangle is going to be at the end, and my 10 and my 2 are going to be at the beginning. So I start with this way and I go like this. It's going to be multiplication. So it would look like this: 10 times 2 equals triangle. Because remember, the triangle was the total. So what does 10 times 2 equal? 20, right? So the triangle is really a 20. And does that make sense in my problem now? 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Yeah, that makes sense, okay? Okay, then I'm going to give you some directions for these problems down here. Again, Second City, you don't always have to do these ones, so we're going to go over the directions here. It says write in plus sign, minus sign, multiplication, or division to make this side of the equal sign balanced or equal as the other side, okay? So for this one, you don't know what goes in here yet. So I would just ignore this side of the equal sign for now and go to the other side where it has the whole equation for you to solve already. Okay, so you're going to solve this side first, figure out what it equals, and you know this side has to equal the same number. Okay, so you're going to write it underneath, and then you're going to just figure out which one of these signs will help you get that same number. So you're going to put it in, guess, and then check to see if it really equals the same number as the other side. If it doesn't, then try another symbol. Okay? Okay, I'm going to stop this video now and start another one to help you with the answers.